So, hi guys, good morning. We are here in the QCSC. Dito lang yan guys, makikita. Look, the pool, very clean. Very nice place. Look guys. Sobrang ganda dito guys. Maraming nagsiswimming. Here and QCSC lang guys. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Come and join. Look guys, maraming swimming. Pero Saturday ngayon guys.